Hi everyone, it's Louis here with another quick tutorial on how to create a PayPal Buy Now or Add to Cart button. Now this is very easy to do and I'll guide you through it very quickly here. First thing you need to do is log into your PayPal account, and once there you need to click on Profile. Okay, once in the Profile section you need to go to My Selling Tools. This has already been clicked from before. So if it's not highlighted like this, just click on it and it will take you to this section here. Before we create the button, however, just in case you might have some particular shipping rules that you want to implement or shipping calculations, you need to do that first. Now the thing is here, you might have particular criteria, like if you sold more than $50 worth of products, you want to have a flat rate shipping of $10. So if you go to update here, it gives you two options here. You've got a flat amount that you can put in, or a percentage amount. For the purpose of this exercise, we'll go the flat amount. So basically, if the product is from 1 cent to $9.99, then shipping for that will be $5. If the item is from costs between $10 and $49.99, then the shipping here will be, say, $7, and so on and so forth. Now we won't use these for now. Okay, so once you've done that, go back and we'll start creating the button. Now to create a button, you need to go to PayPal Buttons, create custom payment buttons to my website, or for my website, sorry. And we go to get started. And the first thing it does is give you a whole bunch of options here in this drop down menu. You got shopping cart, buy now, donations, all sorts of options here that you can choose from, but for this exercise we'll choose the shopping cart, and we'll put in the product. We'll call it my button, and we'll put in the price, make it $29.95. You can choose your currency, and with the button itself you can have your own button or the normal stock standard button that PayPal provides for you. You do have a whole bunch of other options here, like to add drop down menu with price option, add drop down menu with price and options. Gives you examples for each section here, but we won't do any of those for now. We'll keep it simple. Now if you do want to have your own button, I would click here, customize text or appearance, and in this section we want to use your own button image. Now what you need to do is create your own button first in Photoshop or wherever you, whatever program you might be using, and you need to provide the full URL to where this button is. And what I mean by this, you need to upload this button to your server first, or to the actual website that you're working on, and then you need to provide the full URL. So for example, we'll say www.yourwebsite, meaning the name of your website, .com, and then / say button.jpg, or it's a PNG, doesn't really matter either way. Now it's very important to note that you have to provide the exact URL, meaning you can't have spaces or anything like that, because the button will not appear. So make sure that the URL is exact. So we'll get rid of that for the moment. We'll use a stock standard one, PayPal button, and gives you options of different languages, obviously. And down here you can use the settings saved in your PayPal profile, meaning the shipping settings that we were doing before. You can either go for those settings, or you can use your own specific amount here for the shipping. We'll just leave it at that for the time being. And the merchant account IDs, just leave it on your normal email address, or if you can use your own secure merchant account ID if you want. And in this section here, always have this ticked, the save button at PayPal, because if you ever want to use the same button or a similar button and just want to change the price and description, then it's great to have that saved at PayPal. You don't have to look for it again. You can track inventory, track profit and losses. Gives you a whole bunch of options. Section 3 here, just a whole bunch of more options here. Do you need your customer's mailing address? Yes. You've got things like take customer to this URL when they cancel their checkout. So in case maybe a customer cancels out and then you want to still convince them to buy your product, you can take them to another page where it says, well, you know, seeing as how you're leaving us, we'll give you an extra discount if you purchase the actual item now, and then you create another button for that section. And we'll leave all of this section. We'll go to create button, and it'll provide us with this confusing looking code here. Don't be confused by it. You click on that, select it, right click, copy, and then what you do is go to your favorite website editor. Might be Dreamweaver or any editor for that matter, even a notepad. Paste that code in there and then position that in your website where you want the button to appear, and that's it. It's as simple as that. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, and we will see you guys very soon. Bye for now.